The cleaning roller attached to your print ribbon cartridge or cassette removes dust and particles from your cards before they are printed, as you can see. However, you need to clean the inside of your printer regularly to maintain print quality. The cleaning card removes debris from the inside of the printer and from the transport rollers. You must clean the printer after every print ribbon change or after every 500 cards printed, whichever comes first, or if you start seeing decreased print quality on your cards. A printer reminder is set for every 500 cards. When the cleaning count is reached, the error message displays cleaning required on the LCD panel. You can change the default cleaning count using the printer dashboard. You can run a cleaning card from the printer dashboard, but we will show you how to do it on your LCD panel. Unlock the printer cover, open the cover and remove the print ribbon. Close and lock the cover. Unlock and open the input hopper and remove any unprinted cards. Handle the cards with gloves and by the edges only. Remove the cleaning card from its packaging. Load the cleaning card into the input hopper and close and lock the input hopper. Press the user button to clear the error message. When the printer display is ready, press the user button again. Press enter to access the menu. Press enter again to access the maintenance menu. Press enter when the cleaning card displays. Press enter to start again. Press the user button to start the cleaning cycle. The cleaning card will move to the output hopper or the reject tray. Remove the cleaning card. Discard the cleaning card. Do not use it more than once. Place the blank cards into the input hopper and close the hopper. Lock the input hopper.